Hello, and welcome to this Cunyfirst tutorial of how to update your personal information in Cunyfirst. In this video, you will learn how to update your email address, mailing address, and phone number. Let's get started. How to update your personal information in Cunyfirst. First, log on to your Cunyfirst and click the Student Center tab. Once you are in your Student Center page, scroll down to the Personal Information section towards the bottom of the page and select the appropriate link from the drop-down menu. How to update your email address. When trying to update your email address, you may see multiple email addresses listed. Modify the Other Email section, or you can add a new type by selecting the Add an Email Address button. When changes are made, click the Save button. How to update your address. To update your address, click the Add a New Address button. Next, you will come across the Edit Address page. Here is where you can edit your address. Once you update all the fields, then you can click OK. Once you click OK, you want to verify that the information you entered is correct. Once you verify the information is correct, click Save. How to update your phone number. To update your phone number, in the Personal Information section, select Phone Numbers. Click the Add a Phone Number button. Once you have updated this information, remember to click the Save button. Now that we went over how to update your personal information in Cunyfirst, you are all set to make updates. Don't forget to connect with SSCU on all social media platforms.